This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials. Windows 11 updated and you're signed in with an admin account. Once done, connect to the internet so Defender can fetch the latest definitions and cloud protection. Now open Settings, choose Privacy and Security, then Windows Security and hit Open. This launches the Security app. Why? Because all core controls live here. Make sure updates finish before continuing, since outdated definitions reduce protection effectiveness and can block subsequent configuration steps. Next, configure the core protections. Go to Virus and Threat Protection and run a quick scan, then ensure real-time protection is on so threats are caught instantly. Once that's set, move to Account Protection and enable Windows Hello plus Dynamic Lock for device security. These reduce phishing and physical access risk. Then open Firewall and Network, confirm the correct private and public profiles, and allow trusted apps. These steps lock down attack surfaces while keeping your workflow uninterrupted. Finally, enable cloud-delivered protection and automatic sample submission so Defender adapts quickly to new threats. This improves detection rates. Schedule a weekly full scan and add exclusions only when necessary to avoid blind spots. Once configured, review protection history and performance. If something fails, for example features are grayed out, try resetting the Windows Security app, then run SFC and DISM to repair system components. If that does not help, sign out, reboot, and verify you still have.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.